Imagine a place where it rains fish. Sounds like a scene straight out of a fantasy novel, right? But believe it or not, in a quaint little town in Honduras called Yoro, this bizarre phenomenon actually occurs. The locals call it Lluvia de Peces, or rain of fish. Each year during the rainy season, residents look up in wonder as it starts pouring fish from the sky. They gather outside, bucket in hand, excitedly collecting the slippery little creatures that have fallen from the clouds. Scientists believe water spouts suck the fish from nearby bodies of water and then drop them miles away. But for the people of Yoro, it's a magical spectacle that turns an ordinary rainstorm into a festive feast.